giko too much baya ugakiriwo rihana ri maitho maya matikinyaga rihana
nige yuri uragithirurukaga nayo guku taoni ngima
no uhithe ihuria mieri kenda how do you hide that
mundu wa macho bayo na nindiragiuka guku na twakorwo mundu wina macho bayo kundora
nikiri kai waku atari hinya wa kugugitira mukahe ngoma hinya ngoma heirwo hinya Kenya ma ngoma ko ahetwo hinya Kenya.
He's so powerful.
He's so powerful. Ati ni ngai uria hoyaga ndagigitira mwana wakwa aya mena maitho kira nio megwika atia.
It's impossible.
It's very wrong. So let's stop doing that. Mutumia inuka atari na mwana, don't blame her.
Yeah.
Let her go through the recovery process. No nawe wakuithia mwana, go through the process. Go for counseling.
Yes.
Yeah, I will insist. Tutigage iguthi kuhoya wina thina. Mahoya ni megana ni hoyaga. No rira wina thina wa mental.
Go to the experts.
Tigana na pastor. Go to the expert.
Yes.
Pastor Dario Doi. Ona kihiko gyaku giathuka murathi gwe pastor gwika atia?
Ni gwe counselor.
Go to a